He is an American television personality who is the first black bachelor lead for The Bachelor in season 25. He founded ABC Food Tours with the Taylor Cameron. His family. His mother. He grew up with mother, Patty, and his brother John in North Carolina. His mother, Patty James. His brother, his older brother John. His brother is a rapper. His father name Manny James. He and his mother are very close. James and Taylor played football at Wake Forest University together. With his friends.
He has an estimated net worth of 910k.
He sparked romance rumor with model Camila Kendra. Sarah Trott catches very strong feelings for Matt during season 25. His ex was almost one of his Bachelor contestants. He was born and raised in Raleigh, North Carolina. He was born on 5th December 1991. He graduated from Sanderson High School in 2010 before going to Wake Forest University. His occupation: real estate broker, entrepreneur, community organization founder. He obtained his bachelor degree in economics from the Wake Forest University in 2015, where he was also wide receiver for the Wake Forest Demon Deacons football team from 2011 to 2014. He had minicamp tryouts with the Carolina Panthers and New Orleans Saints of the National Football League in May and June 2015, but was not signed by either team. Before his moving to New York City, he worked at PNC Bank in Petersburg. He works for CBRE Group, a commercial real estate company in New York City.
Came along
He is also the founder of ABC Food Tours, a non-profit organization that educates the children in the underserved communities about food and exercise in New York City. His nationality, American. He and Taylor Cameron played football at Wake Forest University together. He and Taylor Cameron, they are also best friends and roommates in New York City. Cameron's mother nominated James to be a contestant on The Bachelorette before she died. He was originally cast to be a contestant for the season 16 of The Bachelorette, starring Claire, but after filming was delayed due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. He is the first black bachelor lead in the show's history. He was tapped to star for its 25th season, beginning in Jan 2021. Reality star rose to fame as the first ever black lead on the popular reality TV series The Bachelor. He also played wide receiver for the Wake Forest Demon Deacons football team.